here as part of the UK partner membership with the 3C project, and we've been working on the development of this substance called biochar and its different applications. And in particular, because I work in a rural area in farming, I'm looking at a range of projects that will help use this material to benefit the environment and the communities in the kind of areas that I live in.
You probably know this from different names, but it is a charcoal-like substance that can be made from any organic material that's green vegetation or wood or whatever, and it is created by heating it progressively and slowly without oxygen. So it doesn't get to the stage where it combines with oxygen and burns to form ash, but it does change its state. And this was the end of a succession of different things that we had been doing, and we'd be kind of following each set of ideas and the conclusions and our discussions about where does this leave us, what should we do next. And my particular area of interest is in taking this material, and it has many applications in industry, in construction, particularly for me it's in the soil, in agriculture, and its interaction with living organisms. So I also look at solutions which are simple and elegant. You're introducing a substance into a phenomenally alive and diverse arena. What we do by introducing biochar is going to have unpredictable effects, and we need to be humble about what we do and not let our egos assume that we're going to fix something instantly. We have to watch and listen and observe. What we are trying to undo is the damage we have done through amongst other things, intensive agriculture. Unfortunately, in our present century, in addition to becoming an economic function, the economic function has dominated. Instead of dealing in meeting people's needs in nutrition, we now deal in commodities. And as a result of that, the whole way of the system is to externalize anything that interferes with that. So what have we done? We've created monocultures. The problem with monocultures is a lack of diversity. And that can manifest itself in the way of a loss of immunity, the inability to recognize threats, the inability to change, inability to adapt. They become dependent on one culture, one set of inputs. So I would move from the word sustainability to resilience. And all monocultures eventually fail, and that includes human societies. So how do we build resilient communities? Well, we copy nature. We embrace diversity. We find different forms of language, and we open our receptors to those signals. We build small, diverse communities, and we encourage people to open their receptors by recognizing the tools of empathy and compassion and a willingness to listen. By using all these different methods of language, many of which will energize cultural sensitivities to which we have to be alert. We have to learn how to share sovereignty.